Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Kotak Neo account is KYC complete and you have funds in the trading wallet. Open the Neo app and log in using 2FA or biometrics for faster access. Once done, tap the Market or Trade tab at the bottom. This is where Insta Trade lives. You should see quick buy/sell options and market depth. If you do not, refresh the app and confirm your trading profile is activated before moving to order placement. You now select the stock or ETF and choose quantity. Use search or watch list for speed. Decide market for immediate execution or limit to control price. Enter limit value and validity. Check order type, product, CNC or miss, and leverage if applicable. Once configured, tap review to see brokerage, GST, and total debit. This prevents surprises. Confirm the trade and watch the order status. If execution is partial, make sure to understand fill rules and remaining quantity handling. After confirming, monitor the order book and holdings to ensure execution. You will see transaction details and timestamp. Once executed, settle or transfer holdings as needed and reconcile with available balance. If an order remains unfilled, cancel it from the order book and replace with adjusted price or size. If the app shows errors, clear cache, log out and back in, or retry on a stable network. For persistent problems, contact Kotak Neo support with your order ID and screenshots for faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.